Hello friends and welcome back. I'm Faraz Shaikh, and in today's video I'll be showing that how can you share your YouTube videos privately. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your YouTube, you would have this YouTube Studio, or you can just go to your channel settings and you can just grab and go to the YouTube Studio. Once you land on this page, all you have to do is go to videos, and you have to select the video which you like to share it privately. In this case, I would like to share this VLOOKUP video privately. So I will just select edit this details. And now if you see, this video is already listed as unlisted. So now if I go and change my settings to private, and if I want to enter somebody email ID, unfortunately I cannot do that. Let's say done, and I find this option 3 dotted over here, but still I can't find that option. How can I share them? All I have to do is first save the video, and then I have to click these 3 dots which are over here, and then I can click on share privately. And over there, I can write my email ID and I can share it to that person. Make sure that you check notify via email, that's very important, and say save and go back to YouTube Studio. When you log into your Gmail account, under the social or primary email, you'll find this email saying Faraz Shaikh has sent you the video. You'll find that YouTube link. So if you click on this video, need to sign into your Gmail account and then can able to access and see this video. And here we are. Hello dosto, swagat hai. Coming back to the Creator Studio, and if you wish to remove the person email from that privately shared videos, then you can just click on this 3 dots again, share privately. It will open that window again, and you can revoke the access from here. And if you need to add some more people, then you can add them over here. So right now I just need to remove this access. I'll just say remove, and I'll say save and go back to the studio. So that's how you share your YouTube videos privately to someone. So make sure that you hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and seeing you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.